Hey guys, welcome back to DelveStack, and today I will be showing you how to fix stuck download in Chrome PC. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. And now over here, you could just simply go for the settings. Now here on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and go for the downloads over here. And now here on the download, make sure you have the correct location. And sometimes if your hard drive or drive is full, it will have a stock downloading. So make sure to have a free space on your drive and select a specific location. Now, if it doesn't work, what you could try to do is do a simple restart into your computer. So guys, a simple restart can mostly fix the issue. Now, if it still doesn't, this means your Chrome has too much data in it. So to do this, you can just simply go ahead and go for the privacy and security on the left side of the screen, and you will have an option over here, delete browsing data. So sometimes deleting your cookies and other site data and your cache images and files can free up space into your Chrome, and this will make your Chrome become much more faster. And of course, you will have an option over here, last 7 days, 24 hours, but I recommend going for the old time to totally reset your Chrome, and you can just simply delete the data, and mostly this can fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.